You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to search for emails on your iPhone using the built-in Mail app. Whether you're looking for an old message or trying to find something specific quickly, here's how to do it. Let's get right into it. First, open the Mail app on your iPhone. Head to the mailbox or inbox where you want to search. Now swipe down slightly on the screen and you'll see a search bar appear at the top. Tap on that bar and then type in what you're looking for. It could be a keyword, the sender's name, or even part of the subject line. As you type, Mail will automatically start showing emails that match your search. You can also use filters like from, to, or even look specifically for emails with attachments to help narrow things down. It's a quick way to get straight to what you need without scrolling through everything manually. Once you find the email you were looking for, just tap it to open and read it. When you're done, simply clear the search bar and you'll go back to your regular inbox view. This feature is especially handy when you're juggling multiple accounts or folders. Thanks for watching. If this helped you navigate your inbox a little faster, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. See you later.